Welcome to this tutorial on variable assignment. In this step, we bridge the gap between your raw dataset and the standardized metadata required for analysis. The goal here is to document exactly what each of your variables represents and homogenize your nomenclature. This ensures that every variable in your dataset is correctly linked to the metadata you provided earlier in the study documentation and can be connected to other datasets. Before we dive into the instructions, let's look at the interface. The variable assignment table is the heart of this process. It contains specific columns, such as measure, day, phase, and stimulus. If you're unsure what a column requires, simply click the column header. An information tooltip will appear, detailing the allowed entries and formatting for that specific field. You may also notice that your original variable names are already filled in. Below the assignment table, you'll see two cards for downloading and uploading CSV files and editing the table locally on your computer. You can download the table as it is currently displayed. Or use the assisted assignment, where you can download an automatically generated file based on the entries you made in the study documentation. Editing. There are two ways to match your original variable names to the metadata. First, you can use the Edit buttons directly on the web page. While this works for quick fixes, it can be quite tedious for large numbers of variables. Instead, we highly recommend the second method, working locally. By exporting the table as a CSV using the download link, you can use Excel, Apple Numbers, or any other CSV editor. This is much faster for bulk assignments and allows you to use familiar copy-paste and search functions. Currently, the file is empty, but we can fill in our information and upload it back to the website to make the changes available. I have prepared some changes in this file and will upload it again. In the field below the variable assignment table, I can upload the edited CSV file back to the website and view the results. Possible errors in format and allowed entries might already be highlighted here. Refer to the codebook or the info box of the variable assignment table to ensure adherence to the Fearbase nomenclature. Assisted assignment. To further simplify the variable assignment process, we have automated some steps using information from the study documentation. You can use the download button in the assisted assignment field below the variable assignment table to generate and download an assisted assignment CSV file. Note that since the information is taken from the study documentation, you need to generate the assisted assignment CSV file again if you make changes to the study documentation. As you can see, most of the information in the assisted assignment CSV file is already populated from the study documentation. However, some manual steps are still necessary. We cannot automatically identify the variable names you have originally given, so you need to manually copy and paste the original variable name into the corresponding row. Some rows might be automatically generated, but do not correspond to one of your measured variables. It is necessary that you delete those. A row without an entry in the original name column will lead to an error during the upload of the CSV file, as the entry then cannot be connected to your data. The same applies to mistakes in variable names. If the variable name is not exactly as in the data file, the variables cannot be assigned, and you will get an error during the upload of your variable assignment CSV file. Some variables you measured might not have a corresponding row. In that case, you need to manually fill it in. This is usually the case for questionnaires that are collected item-wise. Then, only a single row is created for the questionnaire, and it needs to be duplicated for each item. Do not forget to add the day, and use the trial column to fully identify each item. If you have finished all these steps, you can finally upload your variable assignment CSV file back to the homepage and enjoy your fully filled out variable assignment. Thank you for following this video. I hope it helps you orient yourself in the variable assignment step. If you still have questions or encounter errors that you don't understand, please don't hesitate to contact the team.